Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2012 Volvo S60. I've recently purchased this for a low cost with lots of body damage. I figured this time we're going to go slightly different. I'll have some mechanic piece to it in terms of changing power steering pump or radiator, which this one actually needs a power steering pump. Which I went ahead and got it from eBay, one of the used OEM original parts. So I'm going to show you real quick a rough overview of the vehicle, and I'm going to show you the power steering pump that I've ordered and the pump that I need to replace, and we'll go ahead and replace it today with you guys. Here's the Volvo T5 S60, and we have some damage right here. It's a little bit hard to see. You see that curve right there. Of course the tail light's gone. Other than that, we have all the damage in the front. That's a nice little overview right here. So we have nice leather seats. I will have to repair airbag. I ordered the seat, just the top piece where the airbag is, and basically all of what we need to do is go ahead and reset our ABS SRS module. Remove the code, and the SRS check engine light or SRS light should go away. Now I'm replacing the fender over here because it's kind of, I could have saved this fender, but it's bent so much that it's you know, when the door opens, it's hitting against the fender, so I'm just gonna replace it. These are the knee parts. They're a little dirty. It was a lot of rain at the junkyard yesterday, so when I actually picked it up, they're clean. It's just has a lot of dirt and mud on it, and this is the front bumper that I'll be replacing. Over here, it's again very dirty, but I already took out the old bumper. I mean, it's completely destroyed. There is a small bend here. You can see that curve right there. That's where the accident occurred, but it popped this whole light, so the light's also getting replaced. But overall, I mean, the Blue Book value is around 6, and we could also remove some 20% for the salvage title, and then we're looking at anywhere from $4,500 that I could sell for after totally spending. On the right hand side we're good. Again, just the fender, this fender is completely damaged. I don't know if you can see that. It's, you know, so I'm also removing this fender, so it's being held on literally by a thread. So let's see how much I'll sell it for, but for now I'll be changing out the power steering pump, which sits right there. So we'll go ahead and change that out now. Alright guys, in order to get to remove the power steering pump, I'm gonna just go ahead and replace or remove the headlight, just because it'll just give me more room. I'm working on how to remove this right now. I did go ahead and remove the panel, the side panel. I had to remove it anyways, so I went ahead and just took care of it right now. The panel's basically sitting over there, right here. So we're good. Just trying to see how to approach removing the power steering pump I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the headlight like I said and go from there. Alright guys, this is the power steering pump that we need to replace. We have over here, it's connecting all the way up here to the power steering fluid reservoir. And we got a couple bolts here. We got one in the corner over there, right there. One in the corner over there. That's about 12, that's about 15 millimeter right there. There's another one, but due to the accident, it broke off. It actually was attached to this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to save as much fluid as possible in a oil pan over here. I'm gonna go ahead and empty it here and see how much I could save. I do want to reuse the fluid just so I don't have to buy again. And then yeah, I think I will open these up and then start filming again. Alright guys, so what you guys need to do in order to empty the fluid is to press both sides. There's one side here, you press it, that goes in. So you press from the other side too. There's another side here that will allow the pipe to come off the pump, and then you should be able to empty in your oil pan or whatever you want to use. So just a quick tidbit.
I'm filming.
All right, so we have over here.
Be gentle with it, Betty.
Oh!
Alright guys, so pretty much done here. I went ahead and hooked up the hose from the reservoir over here. I hooked that up. There's a hose that comes out over here that feeds the power steering pump or power steering over here. So it goes to power steering itself. Yeah, we had two harnesses right here. Basically, electrical pump. So over here we got the plug from the battery coming in, and over here that's basically turning it on. So these two have been put in. This screw over here, I believe, is a 10 millimeter. Okay, it's pretty small. It's a 10 millimeter right there, and that one over here is right around, I believe, let's see, which one was it? 15. Yeah, 15. So these two, once these two are taken out, it frees, and I was able to just put it back in, and we're good. I added some power steering fluid, turned the wheel all the way to the left, turned the wheel all the way to the right, and that tightness that I had before basically disappeared. I was able to go on a ride and everything was good to go. So there we have it. So yeah, pretty much we're coming to a close. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Let me know how you could have done it a little bit different, or you have any easier way. Again, my bumper was already off since I'm exchanging the front grille or front bumper to a new one from a different car that I found on, basically I found it in a junkyard with the same color match. So go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, so that I could continue making these videos for you guys. All right, thanks guys, bye.